Development. So let me see frustum in a pentagonal surface, so which is different from the previous three problems which you had seen in the previous session. And here the problem given is, what is the height of the pyramid, pentagonal pyramid given? 60 millimeter. So where it is been cut? From the base, what is the measurement it is been cut? 40, 25 millimeter. From the base of the 25 millimeter it has been cut. So is there any clue given that whether its edge is parallel to VP or perpendicular to VP something? Cut section is perpendicular to VP, that is okay. The edge is, it is positioned, whether they state any position that parallel to VP or something like that. Parallel to HP. Base side 20 millimeter, height resting vertical as base on the ground. One of its base parallel to VP. One of its base is, they given one of its base is parallel to VP. So it's a one of the base. Okay, it's one of the base which is parallel to VP. Which is parallel to VP. Either it can be near to the VP side or this side, but it is opposite to the VP. If it is like this, it is opposite. They said it's a parallel. So I am drawing like this now. So pentagon. First, let me draw XY line, VP, HP. Here they said parallel. What is the measurement of a side? 30 millimeter or 25? 25 millimeter. It's 25 millimeter. It's 25 millimeter. So here let me mark a point. And give name. It's a pyramid. It's supposed to have the apex. It's supposed to have the apex. So apex is marked in center of the point here, and here it's center. Where it is intersecting, that is the center point, which is O. So all the corners, edges must join the apex. This point is P, Q, R, S, T. So this means which is parallel to VP. Parallel to VP. I have drawn simple position of the top view first. The reason behind drawing the top view first is to have the clear view, true view of the top view. So I have to project now from the top view to the front view. I have to elevate from top view to the front view using what line? Projection line. I have to project, so projection line. So P and S. So here, since it is resting on HP, there should be a dark line here. Already XY line is there. Over there it is resting. On the base it is resting. So it should be a dark line. Wherever the object is there, there should be a dark line. Wherever projection line is going there, there should be a 2H pencil, user line. Okay. Pencil usage is very, very important when you go for the drawing. You cannot score well if you are using wrong pencil, even though diagram is correct. So now there should be a apex line O, that is a center axis line. What is the axis length given in the problem? 60 or 65 or 60 millimeter from here to apex O dash, and this S2 apex. This is supposed to be, this is the pyramid. So this edge will come here. and this also here, and this is straight line. So this also will join here, and this edge also will join here. Here this is P dash, this is Q dash, and this is here backside T dash. It is at the backside, right? It is not visible. It's supposed to be a dotted line. The line which is not visible when you see the front view, this line, that's why it's a dotted line. And this is R dash visible, S dash is written at the backside. This is the simple position of a pentagonal pyramid of front view. Is a guideline. Secondly, I have completed the simple position of the both front view and top view. Hope this is clear for you because we have seen several problems like this. Simple position drawing. நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்துட்டீங்க. இப்போ இது உங்களுக்கு கிளியராக இருக்கும், நீங்களே வரைஞ்சிடலாம். ஏன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கீழே வரைஞ்சேன், டாப் வியூ வரைஞ்சேன், ஏன் ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூ வரைஞ்சேன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன், பல முறை சொல்லிட்டேன். So to get the true shape, and to get the true shape here, to get the true length, let me take this radius and make arc. Draw a horizontal line, make an arc, and draw a line here, vertical line, and that line which is touching the apex. This is true length. This is the true length. Already we discussed in the previous problem also. To get the true length, we have to make an arc and do like this, because when edge is stretched, it will be true length like this only. Okay, shorter length is different. This is a true length. So after drawing this, we have to go for sectioning. That means cutting the part. In the problem, they have said that it is cut by frustum. Correct. Frustum means நேரா வெட்டுறது, 90 degree வெட்டுறது. Cutting the object in 90 degree. Truncation means in some angle. So it is cut by 90 degree. Okay. So have you tried cutting the sugar cane in 90 degree? It is not possible. Half of the portion it will cut. Second portion you have to rotate and cut. If you cut in the truncation, it will cut faster. The reason is friction will be less and force is less for required is very less for truncation. So it is having application. So now let me come for the cutting the portion. So above the base, from the base, and at what millimeter or what measurement, what distance it is cut? 35 or 30? 25. So from the base at the 25 millimeter, this is the 25 millimeter. $25 has been cut. Here we are given PQRST. So it is cut here. They have cut the portion here. CP or SP or whatever excess name you can give, whatever name you like. That indicates that cutting plane, which is perpendicular, which is the first frustum, which is the frustum. Now it is cut and this portion been removed. Top இருக்கிற portion remove பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Remove பண்ண பின்னால, now let me see what is going on here. We have to give name. So here it is a P, right? So now let me give number 1. This is a Q. Here this is the point happening at the Q. And here also we can indicate. Cut section. In the problem, they asked to show the sectional view also at the last time they have mentioned. So like previous section of solids, first we complete the section of solids, then we go for development. So for that they will give 20 marks also problem. They ask like that also. So first let me see the section of solid. The point 1, this is the point 1. So here is the point 2, which is at the Q to O, which is coming down. This is the point 2. Okay. So then point 3, which is at the center point at the T. So here this is 3. When it is happening at the point 3, what happens? From T to O. So T to O, which is falling at the near the same line, which is here. So this is the point 3. It's coming at the point 3. Next R. This is the R to O. So this is the point 4. R and S. Here point 4 and 5. Back side. So here 4. This is 5. Now we have to join all the points and make hatching line. So I am joining point 1, 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. This has to be hatched by 2H pencil in 45 degree in the gap of 2 to 3 millimeter. One line to another line. So I have chosen 45 degree. One line to another line, 45 millimeter. 45 degree inclination line. One line to another line, 2 to 3 millimeter gap is maintained. So this is the sectional top view. If you complete till this, they will award 10 marks. The problem actually asked to draw the development of surface. Along with that, they have asked to complete the sectional top view. So this is said to be the sectional top view. Sectional top view. Anything you would write on the drawing sheet, you should follow it with the guideline. Guideline வரைஞ்சு தான் எழுதணும். Okay, so this is the sectional top view. Hope till this you understood. So one is at the point where P to O is going, P to O is going where that intersects. 1. 2 is also like this. Q to O where it is going, Q to O where it is going, where it is cutting section, that one, that point. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So two things you learned. One is the true length you learned from this problem. Secondly, the problem along with the section of solid also you learned from this problem. You thought that only development they will ask. It is not like that. They can ask sectional view also along with development. Okay, so if you forget to do, it is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fetching and making hatching line is very, very easy. If you do not do this, you have to read the problem very carefully till end. At the end of the line, what they said, also draw the sectional top view they given in the word. So if you forget to do that, you may lose 5 marks. If you do not do the sectional line, after development you forget like this, they will not give 5 marks, 15 marks only they will award. Now, let me go for the development. Let me go for the development. We know 5 sides are there. So, each sides are 25. 25 into 5. 125. Correct. Now, I am searching side in your drawing sheet. If you have more space on the top over the XY line, you can draw it here. If you find more space at the bottom, you can draw it here. So if you do not have space at the top, you can go down because you have to measure the line. So my suggestion is draw parallel to this only itself. Draw this development parallel to this front view itself. Now I am drawing a line which is having the length of 125 millimeter. This is 125 millimeter. So now this is the point P, right? This is the point P. P to Q is 25 millimeter. This is P. You have to measure 25. Q and R is 25. S is 25. T is 25. Again P. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon, 5 sides. So the height up to this O. All the sides are existing. It's a pyramid. All the sides edges are existing. So I must draw dark line only. Now I have to transfer all the points over there. I have to transfer all the points over there. So since it is a pyramid, what should be there? Arc should be there, or rectangle like this should be there? What should come there? It's arc. It should follow the arc. So what I should do here is I should make the arc. I should make the arc. So what I should do is here I am making a point here, center point. What is its true length here? That I should measure. Already taught a problem. So what is the length here? I have to measure. It's more than 60. So that measurement I am drawing here. Okay, I am making the arc. I am making the arc. So here this point is said to be point P, and this distance is said to be the true length. This is supposed to be apex O. Now take your compass, measure this measurement 25 and make 25. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is Q, this is R, S, T, again P. Join all this at the point O. So all joined at the apex O. Now we have to measure from O to 1. From O to 1 this measurement, or this point. O to P. O to P. That measurement we have to make. That measurement we have to make. So from O to 1 or P line. So from O to P line I am measuring it. O to this point. Okay, and like from O to point 2, you can number it 1, 2, 3, R line. Okay, PQ R line. This is R line. Here 3 is T line. 3 is 3 line. R is 4 line. R is 4 line. S is line 5. And again P is this one. And this edges P to Q, it is not an arc. For drawing purpose we have drawn the arc. Edges are, it is like this. Straight line. You can use your mini drafter and draw like this. And again 1 to 2 a line, and 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 3, and close it. This is a portion existing, this is a portion removed. So this is nothing but your development of surface. Hope you understood. Clear? So here the mark split up will be, if you draw the sectional top view with the truncation frustum, they will award 10 mark. Another 10 mark goes for this development of surface. Another 10 mark goes for this development of surface. This edge also visible. This cut edge also visible. Only the rose color is existing. Yellow color removed by frustum cutting. Hope you understood the problem of section of solid along with the development of surface. Do not worry, read out the problem clearly. Whether they asked section of solids along with the development of surface or only development of surface. If they ask only development of surface, you need not waste time for making the sectional view. Okay.